Hey YouTube, Jeffrey Howell's Carpet Cleaning here. We've got this area rug that we're cleaning here today. It is a whole plethora of a whole bunch of fibers, rayon, 10% cotton, but mainly plastic sort of stuff. So rayon, if you have any clothes that are made out of rayon, it's pretty highly flammable stuff. I mean, I remember having a 100% rayon shirt that didn't breathe. It was very sweaty, but this is only like 23% rayon, so there's very little in it. But anyways, what we're going to be using is the Commercial Magic, or I'm sorry, not the Commercial Magic, but a little bit of peroxide with some grease hog, which is somewhat of a high, not really a high pH, but it's getting up there at about 10 or 11 or so. And we're going to give it a real good extraction just to get as much of that pH stuff back, diluted back down to where it's supposed to be. And then, of course, that stuff is all free rinsing anyways, so with the peroxide, you know, we are going to rinse it, but it's going to help brighten this up and make it look, you know, really good. So and as far as agitating it, you don't want to use a brush or anything. We're going to take a grinding broom over it lightly because it's not very aggressive at all. It's pretty much as aggressive as the weight that we put on it. So we're going to lightly agitate and then extract. So the area rug, after doing a triple go over just to get as much moisture out of here as we possibly could, it looks really good. It always turns out good. And that's why, yeah, I love cleaning this stuff, because you can see instant transformation. Howell's Carpet Cleaning, 503-939-0534. Give me a call with any questions or concerns. Catch you in the next video, you guys.